Hi everyone, this is Greg German with German-Bliss Equipment in Princeville and East Peoria. I want to say thank you to all of those that came out this past weekend for our field event here in Princeville. We had a great turnout. Many of you had a chance to sit on equipment, operate it, demonstrate it, put it through its paces, chance to talk to some of our factory representatives and to our own German-Bliss salespeople. We had a great time. For those that missed though, guess what? We're always here to have a time with you to demonstrate the right piece of equipment for your project at home or for your commercial business. So stop back out at German-Bliss Equipment East Peoria or Princeville. Check out all the new Kubota, Exmark, Hustler, and many other brands of premium equipment that you've grown to know and love. Remember, you can't miss with German-Bliss.